In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a room on Booking.com, whether you're planning a quick getaway or organizing a grand vacation. Booking.com makes the process straightforward and user-friendly. Let me walk you through each step to ensure your booking experience is as seamless as possible. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Booking.com website, or if you prefer, you can use their app. It's conveniently available for both Android and iOS devices. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the homepage layout. This area is your starting point for searching countless accommodation options. Now, direct your attention to the Stays section. Here, you will need to input the essential details like your destination, intended check-in and check-out dates, and the number of guests joining you on your trip. Depending on your destination's popularity, it's a good idea to book in advance to secure your preferred accommodation. After entering your information, click the Search button to proceed. This will generate a list of available accommodations that match your criteria. Now, here's where you can start having some fun with your options. Scrolling through the list, you'll see a variety of accommodations, from budget hostels to luxurious hotels. To make your search more efficient, use the available filters. These filters can narrow your choices based on price, location, star rating, and various amenities like Wi-Fi, breakfast options, or a pool, depending on what you value most for your stay. Once you've refined your search, click on a property that catches your interest. You'll be taken to a detailed page providing all the necessary insights about the property. This includes photos, a comprehensive list of amenities, and guest reviews, which can be particularly beneficial for gaining real-world insights about the accommodation. When you've found a place you like, it's time to select your room type and review the booking policies, including crucial details like cancellation terms. If everything looks good, click on Select or Reserve to proceed with the reservation. Now, you're one step closer to your dream stay. It's time to complete your booking. Input all the required details accurately and ensure that your payment information is correct to prevent any hiccups during the confirmation process. After submitting your details, you'll receive an instant confirmation on the screen containing all the critical information about your booking, including your reservation number. It's a relief knowing everything is set and ready for your upcoming trip. Lastly, keep an eye on your email, as you'll also receive a confirmation email from Booking.com. This email serves as a digital receipt and is handy for referencing later on, or if you need to make any changes or cancellations. And there you have it. With a few clicks, your room is booked, allowing you more time to plan the exciting adventures that await at your destination. Safe travels!